Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with ChatGPT. If you are not familiar with ChatGPT, it is an advanced AI-powered chatbot that can communicate with users in natural language. In this video, we will explore different ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. So, let's get started. Part 1. Selling your products and services. Let's say you run an online store that sells fashion accessories. You can integrate ChatGPT into your website and use it as a virtual sales assistant. When customers visit your website, ChatGPT can welcome them, ask them what they are looking for, and provide personalized recommendations based on their preferences. Customers can then place orders and make payments through ChatGPT. This will save you time and effort as you won't have to answer each customer's queries and handle their orders manually. Another example is if you are a freelancer, such as a graphic designer or writer, you can use ChatGPT to streamline your client intake process. ChatGPT can interact with potential clients, ask them about their project requirements, and provide them with a quote or estimate. This will allow you to focus on your creative work while ChatGPT handles the administrative tasks. Part 2. Providing customer support. Let's say you run an e-commerce business that sells electronic gadgets. You can integrate ChatGPT into your website or social media platforms and use it to handle customer support inquiries. Customers can ask ChatGPT about product features, shipping details, and return policies. ChatGPT can provide quick and accurate responses, reducing the workload of your customer support team. You can also train ChatGPT to handle complex issues and escalate them to a human agent if necessary. By providing excellent customer support, you can improve customer satisfaction and increase repeat business. Another example is if you are a software developer or a tech startup, you can use ChatGPT to provide technical support to your users. ChatGPT can troubleshoot common issues, provide step-by-step guides, and offer solutions to users' problems. This will reduce the number of support tickets your team has to handle, and provide a faster and more personalized experience to your users. Part 3. Offering consultancy services. Let's say you are a financial advisor or a marketing consultant. You can use ChatGPT to offer consultancy services to your clients. Clients can interact with ChatGPT to ask questions, seek advice, and get recommendations. ChatGPT can provide personalized and expert responses based on the client's requirements and preferences. You can charge for your consultancy services on an hourly or project basis and use ChatGPT to streamline your client intake process. Another example is if you are a language teacher or a fitness coach, you can use ChatGPT to offer personalized coaching to your students. ChatGPT can interact with students to provide lesson plans, exercise routines, and feedback. This will allow you to scale your coaching business and reach more students while providing a personalized experience. Part 4. Affiliate marketing. Let's say you run a beauty blog or a tech review website. You can use ChatGPT to promote affiliate products and services to your audience. ChatGPT can recommend products and services based on the user's preferences and needs, and provide affiliate links to the products. When users make a purchase through the affiliate link, you earn a commission. You can also offer exclusive discounts or bonuses to incentivize users to use your affiliate links. Another example is if you are a social media influencer, you can use ChatGPT to promote sponsored products and services to your followers. ChatGPT can interact with your followers, provide product recommendations, and encourage them to make a purchase using your affiliate link. Part 5. Crowdsourcing ideas. Let's say you are a startup founder or a product manager. You can use ChatGPT to crowdsourcing ideas from your target audience. ChatGPT can interact with your audience through social media, email, or your website, and ask them for feedback and ideas for your product or service. You can use ChatGPT to analyze the responses and identify common themes or trends. This will help you to improve your product or service and make it more appealing to your target audience. Another example is if you are a content creator or a blogger, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for your content. ChatGPT can interact with your audience, ask them about their interests and preferences, and suggest topics for your content. This will save you time and effort in coming up with ideas, and ensure that your content is tailored to your audience's needs. Part 6. Monetizing ChatGPT itself. Finally, you can also monetize ChatGPT itself by offering premium features or subscriptions to your users. For example, you can offer advanced customization options, integration with other platforms, or access to expert advice or support. You can also charge a monthly or annual subscription fee for using ChatGPT. Another example is if you have a large user base, you can offer targeted advertising or sponsorships to businesses who want to reach your audience. ChatGPT can interact with users and provide recommendations or promotions based on their preferences and interests. This will allow you to generate revenue from businesses who want to advertise or sponsor your platform. In summary, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for making money in a variety of ways. By using ChatGPT to sell your products and services, provide customer support, offer consultancy services, promote affiliate products, crowdsourcing ideas, and monetizing ChatGPT itself, you can generate revenue and grow your business. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is just a tool, and success ultimately depends on your creativity, hard work, and business acumen.